How you doing? If you don't know a little bit about me, I'm Albert Casillas. I'm going to tell you, I grew up in a family of 5. We're very poor. We're moving around a whole lot, city to city. I found myself at my lowest point. I didn't know what direction to go in. Didn't know how to start something or how to help myself until I figured out the only person that's going to help yourself is yourself. So I decided to make the change and learn how to auto paint. I learned how to auto paint, I got certified, I worked for big companies, and then I decided to start something on my own. And I got my own body shop, I own my own body shop. It's very successful. I have no problems like that. I don't live like that anymore. You know, I decided to change my life with this skill, and you guys will too. If you guys are watching this, you guys made the choice to change your life, and I'm very, very happy and glad you have. It's changed mine, and I know it will change yours. And you will be certified, you will be a master painter, and make lots of money. Now come follow me to the classroom.